Hello, this is Sarah Cassins, your 31 gal, and you are here for another Bags and Beauty video. I am so excited to talk to you today about our clear clip pouch. This is an amazing little number that can be used with so many different ways. So I'm going to talk about a few different ways. First of all, I've got it clipped right on here to our adventure backpack. So it's got this really nice spot right here where you can clip on this, and this is great to have things that you need to easy access very quickly on and off your back. So if you are wearing the backpack and you need to get something real quick, you can just unclip this and then put the backpack back on. So I really love that feature. It does fit on a couple other products. We have, you can clip it to the outside strap of the zip top organizing utility tote. Look at that great color combination right there. So you can click it quickly onto the strap there, and then it is easy for grab and go right here at your fingertips here as well. Maybe put on the forward one instead of the back. And I really like that we've got all these complementary patterns. I love how this stripe goes with our floral on the zip top organizing utility tote. And then again, the contrast, you can also clip it on to the round utility tote. So this is another handy one right here too. The round utility tote has lots of wide open space. You see me do another video about that. Make sure you check that one out if you haven't watched it yet. So this is another great one that you can just have it hanging off the edge, have quick, easy access to it, especially since my favorite feature about this guy is that you can put your phone in this pocket. I just realized I was crooked. You can put your phone in this clear PVC pocket and it'll protect your phone, make it water resistant, and keep it safe from sand and sticky kids. And you can use your phone right through it. Now, like, you can't talk on the phone, but you can, quickly respond to a text or something like that through the PVC lining. You can also set it up to play a video and you can hear it through the zipper. So that is another really great thing that you can do to keep it from sticky kids. So this is the clear PVC lining pocket right there. And then on the back, there is a flat pocket. So if you got this item embroidered and personalized, this is where the embroidery would go. So I love that. It's got these 3 spaces. On the inside is thermally lined. So now I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can stick in here. So first I have in here, just in case you're an ice cream emergency, a whole pint of ice cream can fit in there with it zipped up. So I'm going to show you that again. This is what it looks like all zipped up. So quick and easy girls' night out. Got yourself a pint of ice cream. You put your spoon in here and you're ready to go. I love that. Another thing you can use it for is a paint night. You can stick your craft paints inside and they are all safe and protected. And the great thing is about that thermal lining is it's easy to wipe out and clean. And then you could put all your paint brushes in the clear pocket, just like that. So it's a nice, easy, quick craft solution as well. We've got some other quiet bag ideas for it. It's a great place to keep crayons from melting in the car, because when you have your quiet bags for your kiddos with wax crayons and then they can melt in the car, so this is a great thing that'll slow that down. And if it does, it's easy to clean out of here instead of all over the interior of your car. Another quiet bag idea that I have is to fill this with Legos, a small Lego set, and then you can put the instructions in the clear window. I love that. The real small little box sets, all the pieces will fit in this pouch, and then you just keep the instructions here. So another great solution for a few card games to keep them organized. Sometimes you need to keep these box card games out of sight. You can fit a couple of them in here. I actually have Skip-Bo too. I have to hide my Skip-Bo from my kids because they will destroy the box. So this is another one that you could fit in there as well. Or you might just lose the box and put it all the way in the pouch. So lots of different solutions for that. Another thing that you want to not melt is your cosmetics. So this is another summer solution coming up. I've got a mini sunblock here, but a full-size sunblock will fit. and a lipstick, and my favorite hand cream. You know, hand cream is not as nice when it gets runny. So these are all things that you can fit inside. Keep it zipped. You can all fit it inside so that it doesn't get runny and melted in the heat. Now, really, when you think of thermals, you're going to think of food. So I have some examples here for you that you could keep cool in here too. So a regular can of soda fits inside nicely. And then you have room for those reusable ice cubes. I love those. I find them at Dollar General and Walmart. They're plastic and they're filled with water and they're reusable. So it won't leak in here when you put them in here, and it'll keep your stuff cool. I've also got a bunch of snacks that I'm going to stick in here and show you the capacity. So I love having this spoon pocket right here. You can also stick a napkin in there. So right there. And then in here, I've got all these snacks. So this is actually one of my little boy's favorite snacks right here. So I've got Jell-O, medium to small size apple. I think a larger one would fit as well, but this is a medium to small. And then we've got a Go-Gurt. And if you freeze the Go-Gurt, it'll keep other things cool, and then it'll be a nice temperature for when you're ready to eat it. And cheese sticks. So I would definitely recommend for this snack pack. It's great for taking to the park. Freeze the Go-Gurt so it keeps the other things cool, and then you don't have to worry about having anything else storing with you. Another thing I found that fit that I thought was pretty fun was a miniature bottle of wine. These come in 4 packs. How fun would this be to make a bridesmaid survival kit and put all the essentials that they need in there for the day, including a mini bottle of wine or one of those like single shots of alcohol. You could also put some favorite hair ties in there, some safety pins, bobby pins, band-aids, all the other things they're going to need to get through the day in this reusable pouch. So fun. It's a great gift, great little mini gift container. So I want to do a little size comparison of this to another one of our famous products. So this is the size comparison of the Clear Clip pouch to our standard thermal totes. This is a very popular product that we've had for a long time. So if you've been a 31 fan for a while, chances are you've crossed paths with the thermal tote. So this is a size reference for it. So if I flip it upside down, the bottom of it, the zipper section, almost matches up to the width of this. So it is a teensy bit smaller than a clip pouch that we've had in the past. So this is our previous clip pouch, and you'll see the size difference there. So if you're familiar with this clip pouch, I just want you to know that it is a little bit smaller, but it also makes it more compact and easier to clip onto the outside of the bag or slip on the inside of the bag. Another one of my favorite combinations, going back to the zip top organizing utility tote, is using this for baby food and tossing it right into the Zao for the diaper bag. So since the zip top organizing utility tote bag, which I call the Zao, is so wide open on the inside, I love to use lots of different pouches to keep it organized for mom and baby. And so this would be a great one to keep baby food in. And then on the outside, you could put mom's drink and some baby bottles that are ready to fill and mix with formula. So you're good to go for a full day of adventure out with baby. I hope that you enjoyed this Bags and Beauty video. Please subscribe so that you can see more upcoming videos. I'm going to be doing a lot more product features because we have a whole new spring collection to share with you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Bye!